Did you know that electric scooters can reduce traffic congestion by up to 30% in urban areas? That's a game changer for city transport. In the past few years, electric scooters have taken the world by storm. They've become an increasingly popular mode of transportation, especially among younger generations. But have you ever wondered why they've gained so much traction? It's because they offer a convenient, eco-friendly, and fun way to navigate urban spaces. Cities like Paris, San Francisco, and Singapore have already adopted scooter sharing programs, and it's clear that this trend is here to stay. The rapid rise of electric scooters has left many wondering if they're just a fleeting fad or a sustainable solution to urban transport woes. As we delve into the benefits and drawbacks of this new mode of transportation, it becomes clear that electric scooters have the potential to revolutionize the way we move around cities. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about transport, and it's an exciting time to be a part of this conversation. Scooters are often seen as a symbol of freedom and convenience, allowing users to zip through congested city streets with ease. They're also an attractive option for environmentally conscious commuters who want to reduce their carbon footprint. But as we explore the world of electric scooters, it's essential to acknowledge the challenges that traditional urban transport systems face, and how scooters might be the solution we've been waiting for. Congestion, pollution, and accessibility are just a few of the pressing issues that urban transport systems grapple with daily. Cars, buses, and trains are often stuck in traffic, spewing out emissions and making our cities less livable. The World Health Organization estimates that air pollution is responsible for over 7 million deaths worldwide each year, with a significant portion of those deaths occurring in urban areas. It's clear that something needs to change, and fast. Traditional urban transport systems are often inaccessible to certain demographics, such as the elderly, disabled, or those living in low-income neighborhoods. This lack of accessibility creates social and economic inequalities, further exacerbating urban transport woes. By providing an affordable and convenient alternative, electric scooters can help bridge the transport gap that exists in many cities. The impact of congestion on urban economies is staggering. Traffic jams cost cities billions of dollars in lost productivity and wasted fuel each year. In the United States alone, the average commuter spends over 40 hours stuck in traffic annually. That's a whole week of work, simply wasted on idling vehicles. It's clear that something needs to be done to alleviate this congestion, and electric scooters might just be the ticket. But electric scooters aren't a silver bullet solution to all urban transport problems. They have their own set of drawbacks, including safety concerns, infrastructure limitations, and the potential for sidewalk clutter. As cities struggle to regulate scooter usage, it's essential to consider these challenges and develop sustainable, long-term solutions. In cities like Barcelona and Copenhagen, scooters have become an integral part of the urban transport landscape. These cities have implemented effective regulations, invested in infrastructure, and encouraged responsible scooter use. The result? Cleaner air, reduced congestion, and happier citizens. One of the most significant benefits of electric scooters is their environmental impact. They produce zero emissions, making them an attractive alternative to gas-guzzling cars. In fact, a study by the National Renewable Energy Laboratory found that e-scooters generate less than 1% of the emissions produced by traditional vehicles. That's a significant reduction, especially when you consider the millions of people who could be switching to scooters in the near future. Of course, there are concerns about the production and disposal of electric scooters, which can have a negative environmental impact. However, as the technology continues to evolve, we're seeing more sustainable manufacturing practices and innovative recycling programs emerge. Convenience is another significant advantage of electric scooters. They're easy to use, require minimal storage space, and can be rented or owned for a fraction of the cost of a car. This convenience has led to a significant shift in how people move around cities, with many opting for scooters over traditional public transport. Safety is a major concern when it comes to electric scooters. There have been reports of accidents, injuries, and even fatalities, which has led to calls for greater regulation and safety awareness. However, it's essential to note that many cities are taking proactive steps to address these concerns, including implementing helmet laws and improving road safety infrastructure. Despite the challenges, electric scooters have seen remarkable adoption rates in cities around the world. In the United States, scooter usage has increased by over 50% in the past year alone. This rapid growth is driven by a combination of factors, including convenience, affordability, and environmental awareness. In cities like Singapore and Oslo, electric scooters have become an integral part of the urban transport ecosystem. They're used by commuters, students, and tourists alike, and have helped reduce congestion and emissions significantly. These cities are pioneers in the electric scooter revolution, and their experiences offer valuable lessons for cities looking to adopt similar strategies. One pivotal moment in the electric scooter revolution was when the city of Paris launched its ambitious scooter sharing program. The program, which aims to reduce traffic congestion and emissions, has been hailed as a huge success, with over 1 million users signing up in the first year alone. This breakthrough has paved the way for other cities to follow suit, and has cemented Paris's reputation as a leader in innovative urban transport solutions. Another significant breakthrough was the rise of companies like Bird and Lime, which have disrupted the traditional transport industry with their scooter sharing models. These companies have invested heavily in technology, infrastructure, and user experience, and have helped bring electric scooters into the mainstream. As we look to the future of urban transport, it's clear that electric scooters are here to stay. They represent a fundamental shift in how we think about transport, and have the potential to transform urban spaces for the better. In conclusion, electric scooters are changing the urban transport landscape in ways we never thought possible. They're offering a convenient, eco-friendly, and fun way to navigate cities, and are helping to address the congestion, pollution, and accessibility issues that plague traditional transport systems. So, what do you think about electric scooters? Have you tried one before? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and be sure to check out our next video on urban mobility solutions.